Alright. So this will be my 4th video for today's meeting. Thank you again for watching my previous videos posted in our Facebook Messenger or Facebook group. So as what I'm saying a while back, we will also talk about the second measure of central tendency tool, and that is the median. So it is very important also to learn about how to solve or to find the median of a particular set of data. So we can also find the median for ungrouped data, and we can also find median for group data considering the formula presented. Okay, so but before we proceed on that given formula, I would just like to give you the knowledge or background about how to find the median for ungrouped data. So the first thing to do here when we are identifying the median for ungrouped data is for us to note that we need to arrange the data from highest to lowest, or lowest to highest, or maybe in an array form, all right, or in an array form in general. So arranging the data from highest to lowest or lowest to highest will help us identify the middle score. Kasi the middle data, since the definition of median refers to the middle, it lies between the lowest and the highest value. So the value between these two endpoints or endpoints of your data will be the value of the median. And take note, we have only one value for the median. Now, after arranging the data from in an array form, we are now ready to select. We are now ready to select our the middle value for that particular data. So let's have an example for this. Before we continue our discussion, I would just like to give you an example. So I'll be using a notepad for me to easily give examples. All right. So let's say, for example, we are finding the median of the values of your x, or the data variable x, wherein the data under this x variable will be 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Alright, so this will be the data in our variable x, and our concern here is we are finding the median of this variable x. Since the data has been arranged from lowest to highest, so it is very easy for us now to identify the middle score, and the middle score is our number 6, or the middle data is our number 6, and this number 6 will now be our median. Alright, so this is the median for ungrouped data. However, there's important note with regards to the selection of the median value. Okay, in an ungrouped data, since we have only one value for that median. What if, let's say for example, what if we don't have 10? Alright, what if we don't have 10? Can we still say the median will be 6? Or maybe can we say the median will be 5? Or can we say the median will be 5 or 6? Which one is true? So our next concern here is, what if this will be the case? There are even numbers of x. Even numbers of x. So anong ibig sabihin yan? 4 itong elements ng x mo, so even yung elements, number of elements mo. So it's hard for you to identify what is the median in that case. We can no longer say the median is 6. We cannot say the median is 5. Alright? Kasi hindi sila yung nasa between ng 3 and 9. So what do you think? In that case, we will be utilizing the formula of the mean to find the median. So this will be another case, I repeat, if the case or if the elements in that particular variable is even number of elements. So ang gagawin natin dito, what we will do is we will find the average for us to be able to at least know. We'll find the average of 5 and 6, or get the midpoint of 5 and 6, kasi sila yung nasa gitna, sila yung dalawang nasa gitna among these 4. So hindi naman pwedeng isa lang yung dalawa yung median natin. Ang dapat na median ay isa lang. So anong gagawin natin? Since there are 2 possible values of the median, ang gagawin natin to come up with one exact median value is to use the formula of the mean. So we will get the average of 5. All right? We will get the average of 5 and 6. So in finding the average, we just get the sum of 5 and 6. Okay, 5 plus 6, then divide it by 2. So this will be 11 divided by 2, and this is equal to 5.5. So what does it mean? 5.5 now will refer to, or will be the value of our median in this particular data set. Okay? So very easy. Ang gawin mo lang is to identify the two middle scores in the even number of elements in a variable, then get the average or get the midpoint of the two middle scores, and that will now be the value of our median. So in this particular value or data set, the value of the median will be 5.5. I hope you can follow for this particular example for in finding the median of ungrouped data. So your assignment for this median is to answer, I repeat, is to answer this, or to find the median of this given data set. Okay, so I'll just write in my notepad. You can take a picture of this para at least meron kayong notes later. So find the value of the median of this given data. $72, $88, we have 15, we have 23, 26, 39, 40, 63, 72, 88, we have 90, and 99. So given this set of data, all right, given this set of data, I want you to find the median. And place it in a sheet of paper. So following the step as to how to find the median of this ungrouped data, and submit it via PM in my Facebook Messenger. So I hope you don't have questions about this, so that I can now give you my next video referring to the median for group data. All right, so thank you once again, people, for watching to my video. May I ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more notifications. Thank you once again, people. God bless.